So this is the 3 BHK option of D building of Ganga Florentina, which I have vacant. The flat is in raw stage as of right now because I've kept it open to use for any type of customer changes. So I'm just walking into the door. So what you have here first is the foyer space for privacy. No one can peep inside the house. Firstly, to the left here, we have the multi-purpose space here, so that can be used either as a prayer room or then a multi-purpose room, a computer room, one-man work from home station, or storage. So basically multi-purpose. Now once I enter from here straight itself, you see the main USP of the flat is 10 feet clear height, floor to ceiling height. Even after false ceiling, you will have a 0.5 to say about 1 feet false ceiling. Post that you have 9 feet, which is the normal builder height which other developers provide. Now in this hollow space, I will be having the home automation unit here for the complete living area. So your living is completely automated. It's a digital dashboard here itself. It will control the lights and fans and everything in the living here itself. So this is your living area space. Across here is your designated dining area. Whether you close the kitchen or keep it open as it is, the dining area is more than enough for at least 6-seater seating area. So don't mind the slight equipment here. So basically the painting of the side unit is going on. So this whole portion here is your living area. Now once you get in to this portion here, which is in front of you, this is the open kitchen concept. Now the open kitchen concept basically consists of the L-shaped platform which the builder is giving to you. In this manner, I will fit the stainless steel sink right here where you see it. There's a 4-stove hob which is coming here itself. An RO water purifier will be here on top. The exhaust fan for the kitchen will be here along with the window for ventilation purpose. And here you have the dry balcony area. Now the dry balcony area will come with a tap and the inlet and outlet for your washing machine, the provision basically. So basically this is your front room area and the kitchen here itself. If you want the kitchen to be closed at some extra charge, that will be done as well post the agreement. Whatever changes which are structurally possible as of right now at this stage of work will be possible and done after the agreement itself. Now here I am entering the first room, the first bedroom here itself. So this concept has a dual access concept of the terrace. So firstly, right here in the front is the washroom area. I've kept the flat raw as of right now, so in case there is any type of modification which is possible from our end, at some extra small nominal charge, we get it done for you, that's not an issue. Now basically the terrace is a dual access terrace here. So you can enter from the living, which is the door there in the front, the living door there itself, or it is attached to the bedroom here itself. The view in the front is pretty nice itself. So basically what we have here is the complete 180 degrees angle view. and this is attached to this bedroom here. So this is your bedroom sliding door, and it is also attached with the living here. This is the living hatched door. So entering the living again. Now going to the second room, which is either a kid's room or your guest room here itself. Why the guest room here is because the common washroom is right in the front. So here basically you will have your common washroom here. So if your guests are staying over at night, they won't disturb the privacy of the first room and the master, because the washroom is right in the front of them, which is the common washroom. Now above the master bedroom door, I'm giving you the space here itself. So basically that's the inverter space. You'll be getting the inverter also from the builder's end. And right next to that here is your DG box itself. Now entering the master bedroom. This whole portion here is the master. Master washroom will have an additional glass partition, and you will have the solar water connection here. Also, as you see, there is no unwanted lobby space or wastage of space in the complete flat. Whatever you are paying for, every inch can be used in terms of any type of furniture space. There is no wastage of space here itself.